guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bunch of unboxings. I have placed an order on Look Fantastic, Boohoo and Zara, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'm going to start off with my package from Look Fantastic. I have partnered with them on this video to pick out some pieces from their website. If you guys haven't heard of Look Fantastic before, it's a great online destination where you can go and get all your beauty bits from, and they carry brands like Barry M, Jo Malone, Estee Lauder, Pixie Beauty, Clinique, like pretty much all the beauty brands. So I've chosen some pieces which I'm going to be unboxing with you guys right now. So a lot of the products that I actually ordered are a lot of like nail care stuff, because we've been in lockdown for about 2 months now and every single girl has had to do their own nails, and I don't really have like a great collection of nail polish colors, so I was like, I'm gonna need to top up. So the first one is actually this Opi Nail Envy strength and color. I wanted to get something that is kind to my nails. It's a treatment but also a color, and from wearing a lot of gel polish, my nails have gotten a little bit weak, so I've been doing some nail treatments. And all of my nail treatments that I have are either clear or they're kind of like a murky off-white color, and I just wanted something that I can wear every day whilst protecting my nails. So I thought that I would go for this one. It's such a perfect like pinky nude color, and I thought it would be nice to go for like a pinky tone nude, because the other nude that I have in my collection of nail polishes are kind of more like brown cream tones, and yeah, this just looks like such the perfect like nude for my skin tone as well. The next polish is by a brand which I absolutely love. It's called Mavala. I don't know if you guys heard this before, but I just love how their nail polishes come in such a small size. The polish that I actually have now is also from Mavala. It is this one. I actually got it out for you guys to show you guys, and it is in the shade Treasure, but this one is in the shade Phoenix, and it's such a beautiful bright orange, which I think is going to be perfect for the summer. Also, the pigments in these little bottles are really high and they're long lasting, and I've had these bottles for like a good few years as well, and they last a long time. Next up in my order is something that I've been meaning to get my hands on for a while when I don't have my nails done. I've seen so many girls post about having press-on nails during lockdown, and it actually looks really good. Like, I remember back in the day when I used to wear press-on nails, they just looked a little bit ratchet, and I don't know, it just didn't look that great. The quality wasn't that great, but obviously we're in 2020 now, so everything is so much better. So I thought that I would give press-on nails another go. So I ordered these. These are the Elegant Touch press-on nails, and it is in French Pink 103 finish, which I thought is really nice, really classic. And I haven't had like a French manicure in such a long time, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give these a go. And they are only press-on nails, so I'm gonna have so much fun with this as well. The last thing that I ordered from Look Fantastic is something that I think everyone in the UK needs right now: sunscreen. We've been having a lot of nice weather lately, and the weather has gotten really warm, so everyone has been going out into the garden, sunbathing. We actually ran out of our sunscreen whilst in Jamaica a couple months ago, so I was like, I definitely need to top up. So I went with the La Roche-Posay SPF 50 plus, and it is their invisible spray. So I actually prefer the sprays over the creams, because I think the sprays just sit better on the skin, and it also doesn't really leave any like of the white overcast that you usually get with sunscreen. So this is also really great for sensitive skin, which me and Ollie have, and because he is very pale, he usually needs about like 30 SPF or 50, and because I got the big bottle, it's going to last us for a while. So that is all that I picked out on Look Fantastic. Of course, I'll leave a link to everything down below for you guys as well. So next, we have a huge package from Boohoo to unbox. So the first thing that I picked up are a pair of boyfriend jeans. These one has like a distressed ripped at the knee, and it is in kind of like a mid blue wash. The other pair of boyfriend jeans that I have are actually black. The blue pair that I had before, I don't fit in them anymore, so I had to give those away. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need to order another pair. These I actually got in a size 8, and because they are boyfriend jeans, they are a little bit roomy, which is absolutely perfect. The next pair of trousers that I picked up are actually joggers, but they are white. They are just your standard white pair of joggers, but because I don't have any white pairs anymore, the white pair that I had, I tie-dyed the other day, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna need like another white pair of joggers to go with my white sweater. So I ordered these, and they look so comfortable. And I got these in a size medium because I think that was all they had left, but because it has like a tie waist, I was like, it'll be totally fine, and they will come in handy on the days that I pick out and just watch Netflix on the sofa. This is the next item that I got. It is a Skort. If you guys remember, I was obsessed with the pair that came out from Zara maybe like 6 or 7 years ago, and I had it in all the colors that they did, and I haven't seen anywhere really sell Skorts anymore. So when I saw these on the website, I was like, I am definitely getting this. I really love the color of it. It's a really nice kind of like burnt orange. I think it would go really cute with like a cropped white top and some boots. Next up from Boohoo is a pair of white dungarees. I haven't worn dungarees in so long. Like, it's been a few years, I think, since I got rid of my last pair because they just didn't fit anymore, and they were a vintage pair, and I think all the buttons broke off, which made me really sad because they were my favorite pair of dungarees. So instead of going for the classic black one this time, I thought that I would go for a white one. This is definitely perfect to wear in the spring summer, and yeah, I just think it will look really nicely even with this top that I'm wearing with the grey. But you can also just wear, you know, like a white crop top underneath. You can wear a black t-shirt. Dungarees to me are such a perfect outfit because you don't have to put too much effort into it. You literally just pop on like some pair of trainers and a t-shirt, dungarees, and you're good to go. So this is the next item that I got. It's a really cute white blouse. So usually I would just wear like a sweater or a t-shirt, and I was like, I'm gonna need to get like a really nice like summer top, and I saw this and I thought that this was really cute to pair with like a bunch of gold jewelry as well and really nice chunky rings. I thought that would be really nice. You can wear it like with a red lip, hair slicked back. That's what I had in mind when I picked this up. Another white blouse that I picked up, which I thought was absolutely beautiful, is this one. This one's a little bit different because it has like a stretchy material and the sleeves are see-through. I definitely want to wear this for sure on like my bachelorette when it is rescheduled. I don't know when that will be yet, but I have this in mind for one of the outfits to wear when it does get rescheduled. So that was it for my Boohoo bits, and now we move on to Zara. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside here. This arrived at my house like a few days ago, but I was like, no, I don't want to open it yet. I want to open it like with you guys. So yeah, it's just been sat downstairs, and I'm gonna need to get some scissors to open this. So the first item I'm gonna be showing you guys is this really beautiful purple cardigan. I just fell in love with this shade of purple, and that it is a knitted cardigan, so it has like a vintage like granny feel to it. To either wear on its own with a pair of like high-waisted vintage Levi's, or to pair with the dress that I also got. I'll show you guys now. So this is the dress that I got to match the cardigan, and I am obsessed with it. I am in love with this shade of purple. I love how these shades of purple complement each other. I think it's gonna look so cute. To also wear this outfit but also have like orange nails, I think that would look really cool. The cardigan I just got in a size small, and it was $19.99, and the dress I just picked up in a size small, and it was $29.99. So the last item that I'm going to be showing you guys in this haul is this beautiful zebra print shirt from Zara. It was part of their special prices range, so this was $25.99, and it does come with matching trousers, like pajama style trousers, which I was gonna get, but by the time that I was ordering it, the pajama trousers unfortunately had sold out. So yeah, I was just left with the top, which I mean, I don't mind. I wanted to add a bit more colour into my wardrobe anyways, and I thought that this would be perfect. I love that it's like a slightly oversized fit. Actually got this in a small instead of an extra small, and I probably could have gotten away with a medium, to be honest, because I wanted it pretty oversized. This is like such an easy shirt to throw on when you're feeling a little bit lazy. You can definitely put like a red lip on, a slick low bun, maybe some pearls. And yeah, I just thought that it was such a beautiful top, and I absolutely love the small detail that it has. It has like a lilac piping all the way through the shirt. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but yeah, just small details like this I absolutely love. So that was it for my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know which piece was your favorite down below, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.